this is Sonya with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to week 27 of using up scraps. And this week I just took some scrap papers and from various digital kits that I've had. I've had papers laying around from all kinds of projects. So I just took some of those, some old book pages and some words and different things like that, and fussy cut out some images and stuff and just kind of just glue them together. So I made this little tag holder. It's like a tag notepad. So it's a tag, and like it says, it's Notepad. So it opens up, well, okay, it has like a word on here, bold, and then I just took some little papers and things that I'd gotten. I'd gotten these from Felicia. She's from Where Bakers and Crafters Meet, and she had sent me a little package of stuff. And the number 15 and this butterfly is from some of those little pieces of ephemera that she gave me. So I just added them and some old book pages, not old book page, but like old magazine page, and just some scrap papers from stuff laying around, and just kind of glued them, collaged them onto here. And I created this little notepad. So here's one of the pages. I'm just going to do a little quick flip through. And then I just have some coffee dyed paper and some more just torn papers. And this is also from Felicia. It was similar to this. She gave me some pieces of stamped, I think it's a paper bag, but it has like a waxy feel to it. But it's really neat, and I love it. I love the colors. I love how it's like, it's got the worn, torn texture. I love all that. And then I just took some stickers. The image that I fussy cut out this butterfly from, it was almost a sticker paper. And so I took the backing to that butterfly and just added it on here and just went around it with some markers. And then this flips up. And I just simply added some book plates and some stickers. And there's a lot of journaling space in here. So here's a little tuck spot here. And then you just have a tag, and then I stapled this little tag holder or whatever. I add a little butterfly on there. It sticks down in there. And the same thing here. Just added some stickers and a book plate. Another sticker. Same thing here. Sticker. Some coffee dyed paper, and then this fell out. So this is basically an old image. It comes from a magazine page. It's an actual magazine page, and I just kind of idled it up. It's an ad. It's a vintage ad, and I just added it to some jelly printed papers. And this just folds up like that, and that tucks back in. And then here's another page. And then another page. And you've got like a little journaling notepad. So, and it holds like that, you know, it's a notepad. So, let me show you how I made these. Okay, so this is pretty much it. So it's just the tag, and it's a notepad holder, and you know, you got all the different pages and things in here with the pocket. And I just added some ephemera and stickers and stuff. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my blog, my social media sites, and my other videos. And as always, thanks for watching.